So today what I'm going to make is some chicken breast with garlic and lemon. We're really going to get that lemon and garlic pumped in there. You can see that this chicken is beautifully cooked, really succulent and juicy. You can get that cold, slice it and put it onto a salad. You can get it into a pasta. You can eat it with some fries or some vegetables or some rice. Really versatile, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started on this one then. So, chicken breast. Now, I've got 1.5 chicken breasts in there, so that's a breast. But I've cut them right down the middle, you know, so they're a bit thinner. So 1.5, 3 pieces. Salt and pepper. Like a cup here of lemon or lime juice. And a tablespoon of chopped garlic. I've got my glove on just to protect my hands or to protect the chicken. Now what you want to do is minimum 2 hours in a refrigerator. Overnight, fabulous. Going to get some plastic wrap on there. Cling film or shrink wrap, whatever you call that. I'll be back in a couple of hours, but yeah, a couple of hours minimum I would say. Okay, so I've got a pan here. I've got some olive oil in there. Now I've got one of those pans here, you can see that has those ridges in. That's neither here nor there, don't worry about that. And here's our chicken, which I left actually for about 8 hours. So it's kind of, you can see it's kind of completely changed color there. But yeah, minimum of 2 hours. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, we're gonna drop this in. We're on a medium heat, don't go crazy. And we've got a lot of the lemon and garlic there. Don't throw that away. We're going to be using it. So medium heat for these thickness for about 4 or 5 minutes, turning often. So that's 4 or 5 minutes. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn the heat up to maximum. And we're going to add all of this lemon, salt and pepper in there, the garlic. So 50% of the way through now of cooking. You must add this now. Don't add it later because you're pouring raw chicken juice basically onto cooked chicken. So yeah, 50% of the way. And it will now cook off really nicely. High heat, about another 4 or 5 minutes for these size. Again, turning pretty often. So as you can see, the lemon juice has burnt off. We're now ended up with pretty much just the oil with the garlic. About 3 more minutes on this high heat to give it a nice bit of colour. And then this is done. Beautiful, beautiful chicken. Okay, and there you go. Really delicious. I've cut one of them open. It's completely cooked beautifully. It's really succulent and juicy. Loads of lemon, loads of garlic, delicious. Yeah, use that in a salad. Eat that with some fries. You know, you can do whatever you want with it. It's delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.